Hey there. If you're watching this video, you probably struggled a little bit on this question from the last section. Which sentence best describes the model above? Let's take a look at the model we were looking at in this section. This model is the effect of surface water. So remember, we're thinking about claim 1, the addition of the lake increased the rainstorms in Galetown. So the increase in more surface water must lead to more rain. This model is broken up into two steps, just like how our sentence should be broken up. The first part of our sentence should talk about how more surface water leads to more water evaporation. So there's more water vapor in the air parcel. The second part of the sentence should talk about how the more water vapor that's there once the air parcel is high up in the troposphere, more condensation will happen, creating that transition from water vapor back into liquid water, making more rain. Let's take a look at our sentences. A. When there's more surface water, more water vapor condenses into liquid water, creating more rain. That's a true statement, but we're missing the first part of our model, where the water initially evaporates more because of the more surface water. B. When there is more surface water, more water can evaporate into the air parcel. Once the air parcel has risen, more water vapor condenses into liquid water, creating more rain. That one sounds pretty good, but let's look at C. C. When there is more surface water, more water can evaporate into the air parcel, creating more rain. This has the first part of our model, where more water is evaporating, but it doesn't talk about the second part of our model, where more water vapor condenses back into liquid water and makes more rain. Now we know sentence B is the best sentence to describe our model. Also, if you read the hint, which sentence is the most detailed, we can tell that sentence B is the most detailed just by looking at how much bigger it is than sentence A and C. But it was good that we checked that it had the right details in it too. Make sure when you continue on that you select sentence B for the best sentence to describe the model. See you later.